Hey guys, so it's 12 o'clock right now and I still haven't finished packing, and I gotta be up by 6 in the morning to get ready for my flight to Thailand. So this gimbal is what I'm gonna be using today to film everything. And it's kind of bulky, honestly, but this is the best camera I have. So I have a total of 3 flights today. My first flight is going to be to Vancouver, Hong Kong, and then finally to Bangkok, with a total flight time of 24 hours, which is freaking crazy. The first thing I did was I stopped at Boston Pizza just to grab a pre-flight meal. I got this pasta, I think it was like Alfredo or something, and just because I didn't know when it was going to be the next time I was going to eat. So the flight to Vancouver itself is really not that long. It's only an hour and a half. So that went by pretty quick because we're only a province over. So I landed in the Vancouver airport, and I thought I'd give you guys like a little tour of the airport just because I thought it was pretty cool. I haven't really walked through this whole airport before, so this is kind of my first time like really looking at it in depth. They also had this really cool fish tank thing, which is huge with actual fishes in it. And then finally I get to my final flight to Bangkok. And the plane was huge, but I was flying economy, so my seats were freaking really tight. As you can see here, I was like shoulder to shoulder with people. And then the movie selection in the plane was actually pretty good. Like the movie selection was good. They also had really good food menu too, so I was like, that's pretty cool. And then they also had this cool camera thing where it actually shows you taking off, which I thought was kind of neat. So as you can see on the map here, from Vancouver, we're flying all the way across the ocean, all the way to Hong Kong, which is pretty much right here. And then we got our food. So I think this was like beef, mashed potatoes, vegetables, cake. And then I also watched a few movies. This was one of the movies I watched. I honestly don't remember all the movies I watched because I was on Xanax, so everything just felt like a fever dream, but this movie was pretty good from what I remember of it. So far I'm 10 hours into my flight, and I just wanted to show you guys the bathroom in the airplane. So this was actually my first time in the Hong Kong airport too, and one thing I thought that was really cool about the airport was they actually had a train, like an underground subway system in the airport, which is pretty crazy. I've never seen anything like that, but I guess that goes to show how big the airport is. And they have stops, kind of like what you see there, and I had to take this to get to my gate, which is pretty cool. And they also had a prayer room, which I thought was interesting. I've never seen that at an airport before. And then I finally boarded my last flight, which was only going to be 3 more hours to get to Bangkok. And this one went pretty quick. Just Hong Kong right there, and then Bangkok is pretty much right there, so not too far. And finally I got to Bangkok. My mic was kind of messed up, so I didn't actually end up recording my voice when I was talking, but went through customs, got out, instantly noticed the temperature super hot, ordered an Uber. Well, it's not called Uber over there, it's called something else, but they have their own version of it. He came by quick, hopped in the cab, started driving towards my hotel, which was about half an hour drive away from the airport. And little by little I started entering the busy city, and you can kind of see, you know, it was midnight around this time, and you could see the city is like fully alive even that time of the night. And then this was my hotel. This is the outside of it. I had already checked in online, so all I had to do was just walk in, grab my keys, and just walk straight in. To the hotel, and my room is 1008. There's a light switch. Insert key card for power. Oh, there we go. Pretty cool looking toilet. I'm pretty sure these are the ones that open up. Let's see. We got a remote control too for the toilet right here. Let's see what it says. You can open it with the remote. Interesting. It's pretty cool. It's pretty neat. The shower too. Nice shower. Guys, I'm pretty beat from the travel, so I'm just gonna unpack all my luggage and just get straight to bed, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for some more vlogs.